The same man, they must say, why if everything I call our next man daddy? Before I continue, show that you like, follow, share, comment. You know it, Ingo. It's one of those things where just struck me like lightning just now. The realization that Jamaican men, rather some Jamaican men, because I'm going to include not this, we call you fish for almost everything under the sun. Them no want to say number two, them say few, them not even want to say fish, them want to say swim around. Them been over back way. Them been over back way for trying to say certain things. Pun was intended. But yet, you actively call next man daddy? Pause, brother. Why? No, Diddy. I call next man daddy? You call next man papi? Shameful. 2. 6 to muck.